Paypolitan is combining DeFi, or decentralized finance, along with traditional banking and traditional finance. And with me, the CEO and founder, Nils Thurant Ortiz, to talk a little bit more about this. And Nils, I mean, we talked a few weeks ago. Have there been some updates, some progress that you've got, latest developments with Paypolitan?
Thank you, first of all, for having me again here, Jane. Yes, exactly. So we are planning a listing on a major exchange. We will list our EPAN token on BitForex on February 18th, 21.
Why did you choose BitForex?
Well, we had a look. There are many exchanges out there. Of course, people are dreaming of getting on Binance, but that is much too big for us at our stage. So we're looking for a good and very liquid tier 2 exchange. And BitForex is among the top 20 exchanges in terms of trading volume. That's very important to us. Secondly, this will give access to Asian investors. Basically, today we didn't have that. EPAN holders are mostly US and Europe based. And we will add another pair to the EPAN token. Today we only have Ether and EPAN. And on BitForex, we also will have EPAN and USDT. So this will, as a stable coin, this will give our token much more stability in terms of pricing and value. And whenever the Ether is going down, it's bringing, when you appear, it's bringing down your own tokens. So we're gonna be much more independent, much more stable in terms of market value.
Okay, how much are you looking to raise?
So the minimum amount is $40,000, but we try to go to up to $1.2 million.
Okay, and then you mentioned earlier that Paypolitan is not only growing organically, but may also be preparing for its first acquisition. So what are you thinking there?
That is correct. We try to take over 10x, and that is a Singapore-based fintech founded a couple of years ago. 10x had a product. They wanted to issue a credit card that allows people to pay with their crypto assets when they go to a shop, and it failed twice. So the first time the cards got disconnected overnight and leaving, I think, 200,000 people with unusable Visa cards. And then they had another issuer, Wirecard, that went bankrupt, and the Visa cards got blocked again. Said so, they made an amazing ICO in 2017. They raised 80 million, and basically we were interested in the 300,000 users, I have to say past users, they have or they had. Because those users are exactly in line with Paypolitan and our targets.
Okay. Now, is there a token swap? How is that operated?
Yeah, exactly. So first, we offered an asset deal to that company, and that was basically ignored. I take it it was rejected. And then we offered yesterday a token swap. So how does that work? We offer for the 10x pay token with the discounted value of 50%, because basically it's a token that has no more activity behind it. So it's almost a dead token. So we calculate a discount of 50%, which is already, I think, very fair. And users get, with this discount, EPAN token in exchange for their pay token.
Now, what was the reaction to this move?
Well, investors loved it. After the announcement, our token gained 58% in 24 hours. On the side of this company, the reaction was not so happy. They even tried to mute some journalists who wrote about this issue, and yeah, they tried to mute them. And but thanks God, we're not in North Korea. we're in a free country, and so the articles that were written by your fellow reporters got republished.
Yeah. Okay. Well, good, because I believe in knowledge and accurate information. There's a lot of weird stuff going on lately. So,
Yeah.
Niels, so it has already been an interesting year for crypto. What do you see for the crypto space in the first quarter of this year?
Well, once again, as I said already last time, I will also tell you next time, I don't have a crystal ball. But the mass adoption is on the march, so you can stop that anymore. We have more and more people using cryptos, more and more people investing into that.
So, okay, well, it'll be interesting, and I'm sure we'll catch up around that time and see where we are with all these things going on. So thank you so much, Nils, for joining us again. Look forward to another update.